Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, the Trade Me Property app is here to help. Let's walk through some of the key features so you can get the most out of New Zealand's favourite property app. Once you decide what you're looking for, whether it's something to buy, rent, or anything in between, you'll find our filters. Here's where you can narrow things down by what matters most, like location, price, layout, or sale method. And the game changer you may not know yet is our travel time filter. Instead of guessing the commute, set your workplace or kids' school as the destination. We'll show you the properties that work for you based on your mode of transport and your maximum travel time. If you're location focused, it's easy to switch from list view to map view. You'll find it at the top right of your screen. In this view, you can quickly spot listings in specific suburbs, streets, or neighbourhoods you love. Did you know that you can save your searches? Don't rely on memory. When you nail that perfect search combo, hit the heart icon and save. You can name your searches and keep them organized. It makes spotting the difference between your dream home and doer-upper much faster. Once you find a place you might love, watchlist it. Knowledge is power. If you want to know what the place down the road actually went for, check the sold map. It gives you the actual sales data so you're not guessing on price. And if you love a house that isn't for sale yet, find it on the map and hit track. You'll be the first to know once it hits the market or as soon as new insights become available. Whether you're owning or looking to buy, you need My Homes. Claim your property in the app to track its estimated value and see local market trends. Simply tap My Homes in the bottom navigation bar, then hit Add. Search for your address, hit the track icon, and let us know your relationship with the property. Whether you're the owner, a renter, interested in buying, or just curious. Once you've tracked the home, we'll show you how many people are looking at properties like it in the area so you can assess the market demand. You can see exactly how many watch lists, views, searches, and listings for lookalike properties have happened in the last fortnight. You'll also find all the available details of the property and its sale history. It's great for tracking demand if you're thinking of selling or just keeping tabs on your biggest asset. Search smarter, start tracking, and speed up the search for your dream home on New Zealand's #1 app for property, the Trade Me Property app.